Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact your driver on Lyft. So let's get started right away. When you open up the Lyft application on your device and log in using your credentials, you will be asked to choose your destination in order to start booking your Lyft. Once you proceed with your destination, you will see the various options that you have to book your Lyft. Once you choose your desired option and tap on the select button, you can tap on the confirm and request option. Once you tap on this, you will be asked to proceed with your payment method. After proceeding forward with your payment, you will be taken into the waiting screen after someone has accepted your ride. And once this person has accepted your ride, they will contact you automatically. However, if you wish to contact them, then you will find their contact info within this page as well. You can simply tap on their contact number and you will be able to contact them right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact your driver on Lyft. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.